Hi, I'm Kat. Welcome to my channel. You can find a written version of this recipe by visiting my website, 3catsfoodie.com. Cambodian style fried fish with salted beans. If you're a fan of sweet and sour fish with big flavors, then you must try this special dish. I find using a spoon is the fastest way to peel ginger. It can reach all the hard places. We're going to need a lot of ginger here, 150 grams or 5.3 ounces. Slice the ginger into matchstick size. This has to be the largest amount of ginger I've used for a recipe. I'm squeezing half a cup of fresh lime juice. You can substitute lime juice for lemon or even vinegar, but lime juice gives the best results. We also need some spring onions. I use baby snappers, but you can use any fish you like. Pat the fish dry. This will help prevent the oil from spitting when frying. Slash the fish to the bone on both sides. This will help the fish fry faster and evenly. It also makes the fish easier to serve. Pour a generous amount of oil to cover the base of a large frying pan. Carefully lower the fish into the oil. Fry the fish until crispy and cook through. Both sides of the fish should be golden and crispy. Just look at this. Now it's time to make the incredibly tasty ginger and salted bean sauce to put over the fish. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil. Fry the ginger for a few minutes, or until the edges start to brown. This reduces the harsh ginger flavor and gives it a lovely texture. Add in 5 minced garlic cloves. That aroma when the ginger and garlic hits the oil, so good. This is a bottle of salted soybeans, also known as fermented soybeans. They usually come in jars and are sold at Asian grocers. We're going to need half a cup, with a little amount of brine. Stir in half a cup of white sugar. Then it's time for the lime juice. Cook the sauce until it slightly thickens. The sauce should reduce and look something like this. Next, we want to add the spring onions. This is optional. If you're a fan of heat, add in 2 or 3 red chilies. Taste the sauce and adjust to your liking. If you would like the sauce to be less sweet, add a little more lime juice. And now's the time to put in salt and pepper if needed. Let's go ahead and spoon on this aromatic, flavorful, and sticky sauce over the fish. Doesn't this dish look exotic and gorgeous? The smell of this is just so inviting. I just can't describe how delicious Cambodian fried fish in salted bean sauce is. And I just know you're going to love this as well. Best served with lots of hot steamed rice. Just a gentle reminder to visit my website at 3catsfoodie.com for a written and detailed, step-by-step guide for this recipe. You'll also find hundreds of easy and delicious recipes there. I would love your ongoing support. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Have an amazing day.